The 45th participant in the Silva challenge is Jeremy Lance of Ready2Diecast. And you notice I'm going to grab some kind of aircraft right away. It's a Matchbox number 75 Sea Sprite helicopter. Because I keep forgetting to put aircraft of some kind in these. And when I just went kind of looking for aircraft, I don't have many. I was surprised. I don't have as many in the bins as I thought I did. So I wanted to get that one in there while I was thinking about it. That's kind of cool. Obviously Star Wars. Yeah, well, yeah, look, Star Wars. Obviously Star Wars themed. And it's got to be a Darth Vader kind of vehicle of some kind. That could be kind of cool. Let's see. A van. Speed box. Hot Wheels Super Chromes. Yeah, I've been kind of in a van mood in my building recently. That's kind of cool. It's a Maisto Tonka fire truck. Even has the dude on the back. That could be made into something interesting. Goofy, but interesting. Let's see, a garbage truck. Matchbox refuse truck. Missing the hatch on the back. But I'm sure you can figure something out for that, Jeremy. Ooh. Speaking of Tonka and that kind, oh, this is made for McDonald's. China C-Z-ZI. I don't know. 2003 Hasbro is what it says on it. Tonka. It appears this part is metal, but the rest of it is plastic. But that's kind of cool. So why not have at it, right? Oh, what else is in here that looks... Everything looks weird and everything looks interesting. A Play Art Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow. This is obviously old. Ew, the grill is fuzzy. It's like the plastic is fuzzy for some reason. Like it's deteriorating. So maybe you'll have fun with that. Speaking of little people, since the fire truck had it, I've always liked this casting, the Outsider by Hot Wheels. I always thought this could be cool for a Gasland style build. Oh. Didn't realize the little dude came off that easily. I put him back on there. Don't want him going anywhere. I don't know if this dude does. Oh, apparently so. Huh. Tuck it back in there. Oh man, that's got to be a Barbie thing, right? Mattel Dreammobile. I think it's a Barbie related casting. I don't recall. It oddly gives me flashbacks to the Fab 1. Those of you who are as old as I am, remember the Fab 1? But try and get that in there. It's French. Le bing. L-bling. Le bing. Le bling. Bring on Le bling. Let's get rid of Le bling. Yeah, now Jeremy, Le bling is yours. 323i Cabriolet, made in China with glass, and it seems, oh, it's convertible. Oddly, a convertible. I mean, it's supposed to be a Beamer, yeah, but it's very cheaply and inexpensively done. Ooh, this comes with a hair. Let's get rid of that hair. Ew. Fast Fish. That's kind of interesting. Don't know whose hair that was, but you're not getting that, Jeremy. It doesn't come with it. I think that was a Ferrari knockoff, old Hot Wheels Ferrari knockoff, if I remember correctly. The paint on this is absolutely horrid. It looks like I don't know if you can see this, but the weird colors on the front, almost like mud splash look. I mean, how it's colored, but it's like somehow it ran into a puddle of blue and pink paint. Putrid is being generous. No. Eesh. This is a... Okay, the names are getting to me today. This is the El Superfasto. Holmes, this is the El Superfasto. Oh, man. I don't know what else I want to throw in here, Jeremy. Is this weird enough already, or what? The Phantom Racer. Okay. I hope I've given you something to build off of in here. You only need one decent casting, right, to build off. That's kind of neat. Let's go with this one. Matchbox dump truck. Nice simple name, nice simple casting. Not given something goofy like El Dumpo. Yeah, that'll play. It's the El Dumpo. Shark. Oh, I don't think I have room for more castings in there. Burning key cars. Street speeder. Maisto. With a bull. I guess someone else will be getting that, Jeremy. Pardon the noise. Okay. This is obviously a trailer portion to something. Not sure what. Who knows? Maybe it's in. Yee. You should be happy that box is full of castings already. Wow. 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 Yeah, I've got a lot of weird junk in these boxes or tubs. Let me set this aside. Let's get out some 3D parts to throw in here. Let's see. Let's do, oops, start dropping things. Little guns. Some more little guns. Some bigger guns. Rockets. I will be happy when this gold filament, when I've burned through that, because I'm not liking it. The next roll will be white. Some tanks. I think it'll work better for the builds. Some rams and stuff. Oh, here's one of my favorite ones. I like these. The what? Cow catchers or whatever they're called. I like those. I'm going to throw some weird wheels that I printed in here. These are FDM printed from a Lee Perry design. And you'll probably have to sand the backs flat. Because of how they printed, there's a curve to the back. God bless you if you can make it into a roller. I probably wouldn't try. A lot of the Gasland stuff, theoretically, from things I've read, actually, I guess you don't want them to necessarily roll. A lot of them have their wheels glued in place. I love these wheels. Because on a game board, you wouldn't want that movement, which logically makes sense. There's 8 of those style wheels. Running out of skulls. Almost out of skulls. I still have the resin printer that I might have to fire up and try to print some skulls. Lord knows resin printing and I do not get along well. Here's just some panels and stuff. Just panels. But I really hope you have fun with this. This is kind of a goofy thing when you think about it. This is the 45th Silva challenge. I had no idea that we'd be doing 45 of these, and we're easily going to hit 50. We easily have enough people that have signed up for it, and there's other people that haven't signed up that I wish to approach about it, and I explained that recently in, I think, a video or a posting on the community tab. Here's some rocket stuff. I should throw in some small wheels. In case. What's that? 5, 6, 7. That's not a wheel. I'll throw it in anyway. 4. There's 8 of those. Yeah, I'm thinking that's looking pretty good. So yeah, we're easily gonna hit 50 of the Silva challenges, and Lord knows how many after that, and people have expressed an interest in doing it a second time, so that's exciting. But for now, Jeremy, this one's yours. Hope you have fun with it. I hope everybody enjoyed watching this video of me putting this batch of stuff together for him. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there. Catch you in the next one.